The 1937 Himsl Zeppelin Roadliner is one of the most unusual and captivating custom vehicles in American automotive history. Originally built in San Francisco by a mechanic working at a Chris Craft boat dealership, this vehicle began life as a prototype house car. Constructed on a Plymouth chassis, the camper featured an aluminum tube frame covered with grade A linen aircraft fabric, possibly percale. Some parts, like the window surrounds, were reinforced with sheet metal for added structural integrity. The original design included 2 fold-out sofa beds, a table, storage cabinets, and a gas stove, forming a compact but functional living space. Commissioned by a San Francisco doctor, the prototype was intended to serve as the first of many, with plans to mass-produce similar vehicles. However, World War II disrupted production plans due to shortages of key materials. Despite the halted project, the vehicle was officially registered in 1942 as a Plymouth house car. For years, the vehicle remained forgotten until 1968, when customizer Art Himsl and his friend Ed Green discovered it protruding from a barn in Napa Valley, California. They brought it back to working condition and used it as a mobile office. In 1999, Himsl initiated a complete restoration. The flathead engine was replaced with a 350 cubic inch Chevy V8, and the old transmission was swapped for a push-button automatic. Air ride suspension and airbags were installed at all 4 corners for modern comfort. Himsl also replaced the fragile fabric skin with Stitz polyfiber, a lightweight but durable material used in aircraft. The interior was upgraded with a refrigerator and microwave oven. The table now converts into a queen bed, and additions like a rear-view camera, a decorative rear propeller, and front fenders enhanced its practicality and charm. The nose was redesigned, and Himsl finished the restoration with an Art Deco flair. Completed in 2002, the vehicle was officially renamed the 1937 Himsl Zeppelin Roadliner. Today, it remains a rolling testament to pre-war ingenuity and post-war craftsmanship. With its blend of aviation-inspired design and modern upgrades, the Zeppelin Roadliner is more than a motorhome. It's a unique piece of American cultural and automotive heritage.